I recently purchased this Poulan P3816. I was going to do some tree removal out on some hunting property I have. Not wanting to spend a lot of money because that's the main thing I would use it for, maybe 40 or 50 trees. I decided to try one of these. So let's unbox it and see what is included with the original box. Inside the box, it comes with the carrying case, and it feels like the main part of the chainsaw's in here, which it is, along with your instructions, your tool, one little deal of 40-1 oil, and of course your main body, your chainsaw. And in the box is, of course, the bar that goes to the cover, and then your chainsaw bar. So, just a few little things in there. As I say, this is about $138 at Walmart. Let's see if we can get this thing put together. Okay, the next step is you're going to want to go ahead and take off your housing here. And I've already undone one screw, and this one's just kind of hand tight there. I'm going to take it off. Go ahead and take the plastic off your chain and your bar. And what you're going to want to do is pick up your bar. It's wise to wear gloves while touching this chain because it does have some sharp edges on it. And you just want to make sure that your chain is inside the bar. And then you just want to go ahead and put it around your sprocket down here. And then lay it up against the side there. Want to get it kind of up in there. Make sure everything's kind of lined up. Maybe put a little bit of pressure. Pull a little bit of it out. Get a little bit of pressure on that chain. And then put our housing back on. And then go ahead and tighten her down. There's a little tightening bolt here. You need to make sure it's in one of the holes there. And then just go ahead and get your bolts in. Or your nuts on here. And with the wrench included, you can tighten it up. I'm going to kind of make them hand tied up against the case here. And then we're going to pull on that bar to get a little bit more of the slack out of it. We're not going to get it extremely tight, just tight enough that we got it on there. And then we're going to go ahead and pull our bar out just a little bit. Try to get some of the slack out of it. And then while we're pulling, we'll tighten it up. Okay. You don't want it too tight. It will not run properly. So I think we got it about where we want it. As this being the first time it's been run, this chain will get a little loose, and that's what this adjustment here is for. It will tighten that bar up a little. You can tighten that chain up. It'll help with that chain pull. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this. Okay, before we fill the gas tank, we're going to fill up the bar oil reservoir here. And all we're using is regular, the Poulan weed eater oil. So we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of this into our reservoir. This just keeps the chain oiled while it's in operation. We're just going to go ahead and fill it up. We don't want the thing running out of oil, and it'll end up ruining our chain and our we'll end up ruining our chain and our saw. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up. Holds quite a bit. Okay, next we're going to fill up the gas, and this is a mixture of 40-to-1 gas with the oil mixture, and it has a stabilizer in it to keep the gas good. So we're going to go ahead and open up our gas. And let's get this filled up. Okay, we've got our gas in it. Next step will be getting it started for the first time. Okay, on getting it started, your choke is the little blue knob back here, and you'll pull it all the way out to start it when it's cold. You're going to have to pull your knob, you pull it out, put your start knob up, your red knob here up. This is pulled all the way out. That's going to give it a full choke. If you get it to flutter a little bit, you need to cut off the choke a little bit. You can push it halfway in and then try it again. Then when it's all the way done, push it all the way in once you get it started. So let's go ahead and start this up again. It's already hot. It should be ready to go. We'll see if we can get it started again. As I said, with any of these power tools, when using them, of course, you have on gloves, glasses, whatever you need. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it started again real quick. And then we'll go out into the field here in the next day or two, and we'll see how it works. So what you'll do is you'll pull your choke out. Make sure it's on, in the on position. Put your foot in the stirrup. It was a little flooded. To stop it, you just push the red down. This notch right here, you push it down with your thumb. That kills it.